Hey guys, welcome back to Living 757. Hey, look, we already know it's time to put those grills up for the winter season and cover them. However, to ensure that the grills are ready for the first cookout next spring, obviously, make sure that you contact the professionals to give that thorough steam cleaning, and to help us out with that, we got Chris from Barbie Clean Tidewater. Barbie Clean of Tidewater. What's going on, Chris?
What's going on, Quincy?
Hey, how you doing there? You know what? So I got to ask you, you guys are a premier cleaner for like grills here in the Hampton Roads area,
Correct,
right?
correct.
But your motto is a clean grill is a healthy grill.
Yes.
Okay, can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Yes, so if you had green mold or white mold or black mold that was building up in your microwave, you probably clean it. You wouldn't just put more food into it and keep cooking and
Right.
think the microwave will take care of it. For whatever reason, when we're outside and we're grilling, the mold is the flavor. The fire will take care of it. That's not necessarily the case.
Well, see, that's what I've always heard, you know, hey, look, don't clean that. Like, that's more flavor for the next time, but that's not the case.
That is not the case. That's actually very unhealthy and very dangerous.
Okay.
And the buildup of the carcinogens, not very good for you.
Oh, wow. Okay, so now is wintertime the prime season for you guys to do a lot of this service?
The fall and winter time is a big time of the year for us. People are packing up, winterizing, putting it away. We can grill year-round at Virginia Beach, but most people think of summertime when it comes to grilling, so yes.
Okay, so Chris, what is the rule for when we should clean our grill?
A lot depends on how often you grill.
Okay.
Most people will clean about once a year. So if you do it this time of year, do it every year this time of year. If you do it in the spring or the summer, do it every time, but once a year, deep clean on your grill.
Okay, now I see that your techs are working on some of my stuff, but you got a piece of item.
I do have one of yours. This is one of Quincy's, yes.
Okay, so show the folks how bad.
This is one of Quincy's, we call them flavorizer bars. A good example for this, this is all rusted out and it's actually broken off.
Oh, wow.
So if your cast iron griddle looked like this, you probably wouldn't put your food back on it.
Okay.
Same as for your outside grills. When this heats up, all of that rust and all the particles are going to go up.
It's going into the food. Gotcha.
So
And that's
again,
part of the healthy.
not good, yes.
Okay, so now what would be an option? So it's not that you guys just clean stuff, but if you come across something that's damaged, do you have other options?
Yeah. When we show up, we will take the grill apart and we give it a thorough deep clean and a checking. So all the parts will come out of the grill, all the grates, the flavorizers, the burners, everything comes out, and we will check it and go through it all, and we will show you what we have found.
Okay.
And offer you, we can replace them. We have agreements and contracts with all the major distributors, and we can order them from the manufacturer and get them replaced for you.
Gotcha. Order them from the manufacturer. Now, I see, like, can you briefly explain what they are doing? I see a person has a brush and a person is just cleaning, because we've seen him use the grinder, like, prior to the segment, right?
So everybody thinks about cleaning and they scrape off and they use a wire brush and they get the top. But what they don't often get is the underside of the grill. So there is the grinder, there's a wire brush, and then we leave behind a polish, a ball of our proprietary polish.
Okay.
It's a food grade polish that will sit and keeps it clean.
Sit
So
in-
if you're winterizing a grill and you're not using it for a while,
Okay.
all of that leftovers,
Yeah.
I guess,
Leftovers.
our outdoor friends and neighbors,
they love
love moving in, and they will move in and happily eat up the leftovers. So
That's why I have the problems with the squirrels
yeah,
in my backyard.
yeah.
Okay, cool. So we've already shown some before and after. So you guys do amazing work. Now, where can people go if they need to contact you guys to have you come out and even do a consult or just start doing the work?
we have a website, barbaclean.com. Then in our /Tidewater, we have a Facebook page of Barbaclean of Tidewater. Those are our best two main contacts.
Okay,
And our phone
got you. Okay, and lastly, Chris, what were because I know it was some health concerns, because this is an investment, right? So the health concerns you mentioned the carcinogens or
There's carcinogens
The
and
carcinogens.
the mold buildup. So the green and the white molds
Okay.
are, everyone thinks to burn them off, but what will happen is those will burn off and they'll become more heat stable and will turn into a much more dangerous and much more unhealthy mold.
Oh, gotcha.
So, but it's also, it's an investment.
Okay.
Everybody buys a car for spending the money.
Right.
But we all accept that we have to change the oil, change the gas, change the filters.
Okay.
Most grills are very similar in pricing to
Yes.
a car.
Yeah,
I mean,
and-
we actually work on our grill. It's $40,000 they paid for this grill.
Got you. Well, not mine, Chris.
No, not Quincy.
That's why that one is jacked up the way it is. Well, I definitely look forward to getting my grill ready for the springtime. And thank you guys at Barbie Clean of Tidewater. Make sure that you protect your investment.